Hello and welcome to this video, week one of Shaw University's English 111 summer class online. I'm Jason Morgan, I'm your professor. All right, well, what are we doing this week? You're looking at this going, oh my gosh, good gravy, look at all this stuff we have to do. Well, yeah, we have a 6-week class here and we have to do 18 weeks worth of work in 6 weeks, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. So to get to this point, if you're like, where am I? Just click right here and that takes you there. If you were to click on this week, that'll take you to that week, but we're gonna go here. So this is what we're doing. So what are we doing this week? Well, you're supposed to watch Taking an Online Class video. If you haven't watched that and how to navigate this class video, then that's found up here. So if you click here, Taking an Online Class, you need to watch these 2 videos first. So if you haven't watched these videos, watch them, okay? When you're done watching them, come back here. All right, what else are we doing this week? Okay, well, you're watching week 1 video. So again, you're just going in line here. This is what you're doing right now. First thing you get to do is read the syllabus. Well, the syllabus, when you scroll down, is right here. So if you just click on here, it'll download the syllabus, and then we can open it up, and then you can scroll through. Da-da-da-da-da-da. There is the syllabus. You get to read through that. Yeah, that's just one of those things we have to do. Okay, what's the next thing we have to do? Readings, week 1 in Odigia. So Odigia is the name of our textbook, and our textbook is found again at the top. You click right here, and that will take you to Odigia. I will send out another video on how to use Odigia, just because I'm updating it for the summer, and I want to make sure I have the updated thing before I create a video. But this is where the link that will take you to the reading. So you go here, and that's the textbook. Okay, and again, I will have another video that shows that. Okay. Then you get to complete the student acknowledgement form. Well, what is that? What is that? Again, if you just scroll down, so you read the syllabus, student acknowledgement forms are right here. You click here, that loads this up. You'll notice that there are 2 of them, okay? There's 2 pages, 1, 2. What you're going to do is print these up. Go to the library if you don't have a printer home, and you're going to fill them out. Your name, semester, summer, 2018, class section, English 111-801. You're going to read through this, and you're going to sign it and date it, okay? After you've printed these up on real paper. Now note, I know this is an thing, late papers are not accepted for this class. Because this is a 6-week class and we are zipping right along, you cannot get behind. And everything we are learning, it builds on each other. So you have to get your work in on time. So please note these different things right here, okay? And then this is the school syllabus. So again, you're going to print up these 2 pages, and then you're going to fill them out. Now, how do you get these back to me? Well, that's a good question. The easiest way, since most people have smartphones, are to take pictures of these signed documents, and then you're going to submit the pictures. And how you would do that is click on Student Acknowledgement Forms right here, okay? And then you would, well, I see I got to switch over to Student View so you can see how it would look for you. Okay, so you're going to add submission. Okay, and then you can just go and find a file, or you can just like drag and drop a file like this. You can just drag and drop a file. Well, that's because I don't have it set up to connect to that server. Anyway, but you can just drag and drop it in here. So you can either scan in your documents or take pictures of your documents and then hit Save Changes, and that will send it back to me. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay, so that's how you upload, let's go back to this, your student acknowledgement forms. Okay, next is the pre-test quiz. Take the pre-test quiz, you click on this. These are the things you're supposed to learn. As long as you've attempted this quiz, you will get 100. Okay, just do your best. Okay, it's not gonna, if you get like a 40 on the quiz, that's okay. We just need to see what you know right now. As long as you take the quiz, and to take the quiz, just click on here, and then hit Attempt Quiz Now, and then you would take the quiz. Okay, so there's that. I should note at this point in time, if you're trying to do this all solely on a smartphone, yeah, you're going to need a computer at some point in time because you're going to have to write papers. Most of this works on your phone just fine, but not everything does. Okay, so we've taken the pre-test quiz, and now you get to watch plagiarism video. So once you scroll down there, then you watch another video. This explains what plagiarism is. Then you have a quiz. Then you have a video on MLA formatting. Then you have a quiz. See that? Oh, yeah, and you can take each of the quizzes up to 2 times. The highest score counts. Then we introduce the first thing we're going to be working on, which is a narration paper. So this video explains narration. This video explains description. This video explains how you create paper 1, And then we're working on our first paper already, which is due in a week. Yes, the narrative paper. So let's go ahead and click on it. Click on narrative paper. So you get to write a paper based on one of these two options. Choose a time when you did something that took a lot of nerve, when you didn't follow the crowd, or when you stood up for your beliefs. Okay? Or we all have memories that we are connected to our experiences. Think about experience you feel you'll always remember, and then basically write about it. So this paper needs to be 2 to 5 pages in length, type double spaced, Times New Roman, MLA formatting. So basically you're writing a story about something that you will always remember, or something that you stood up for time for your beliefs that, took a lot of nerve. One of the other, okay? You're gonna write a story. Once you're done writing that story, you're gonna upload it here. So you click it here. This is the first draft. You're gonna send it to me. Again, you're gonna add submission. You're gonna find it. You can drag and drop it, or you can go looking for it, choose a file to find it, and then put it in here. You'll send me the first draft, and then you'll hit Save Changes. I'm not gonna hit Save Changes. In addition, then the last thing you're doing for week 1 is you're going to submit the same paper that you submitted here up to the discussion board, because 3 people are going to be looking at your paper and giving you feedback. So when you submit it here, you'll submit it to me, and I'll give you feedback on things that you need to do to make it better. In addition, you'll submit it here, and 3 people from the class will look at it and give you feedback. Okay, and this feedback thing is actually, we'll talk about that more in week 2. Okay, now week 2 doesn't look nearly as bad. Okay, but so a lot of these are just little things you have to watch and take quizzes on, so there's not a lot. The big thing is writing the first draft of the paper, 2 to 5 page paper. Yes, it's due in a week. Please note, the deadlines for everything are listed up here. Sunday, May 27th. That is the deadline for everything due for week 1. Okay, and again, no late work is accepted for this class. So again, I tried to set this up as logical as possible. If you just follow this order, boom, 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 boom. How do I do this stuff? It's in the same order down here, boom, 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 boom. Again, you have these videos you can watch more than once. You can take the quizzes more than once to get high score counts. But the big thing is working on your paper. Okay, so take a deep breath. Just start plowing through this. And again, with as much sincerity as I can make it, don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait to the last minute, or you will not be successful. You need to work on this throughout the whole week. All right, get to work. Have fun.